My name is Sarah, and I used to be a chronic overreactor. More specifically, I used to be like a rapid responder. If someone wrote to me, I would respond to them right away, no matter what, because I almost had this like anxiety that if I don't respond right now, something's going to be missed or whatever. And honestly, this led to so many problems. I've actually ruined or damaged many relationships through this rapid response time. And this is especially pertinent in situations where I just don't know how I feel, or I'm upset, or I'm frustrated or triggered in some way. So one of the best ways that I've regained control of myself, my life, my relationships, and honestly even my business has been really slowing down my reaction time in situations where I'm not quite sure how I feel or where I'm feeling upset or annoyed. And it's gone such a long way. Because waiting can also give us way more perspective. We tend to respond a lot better, we're more in touch with how we feel, and we have better perspective on a situation when we're not responding from that place of really heightened emotion. It's usually not good for anyone. So I just want to make this video to say, if there's one thing you could do to improve things, if you're a like rapid responder like I was, overreactor / quick response time, just waiting often helps tremendously to get your feelings sorted and the right things to say.